Welcome to another video of Incorporate Fitness. So today is the part 2 of the posterior chain workout, or the workout for people who sit on desk jobs a lot. So you can see Madan working out in the background. He's just warming up, and he'll do a little more warm up after that. And then there's Madan, right? Well, so today's workout is going to be all about the posterior chain. We are continuing the part 2 of the what we posted already. So today it's going to be the upper part. So we covered the lower end in the earlier video. So today it's going to be the upper side of the posterior chain. So please to watch completely, subscribe and share. A lot of people are watching us and failing to subscribe. It will help us and encourage us to do a lot more videos, right? Yes. Do that. The first exercise, again, for most of you guys who are a techie, right? You might be sitting on a bench. There's no actual desk here, so I'm just showing with what we have. So you guys may be sitting on a laptop like this and leaning forward, where your neck is coming forward, and you're slouching on a thing where you get a rounded shoulder and you operate your laptops. So the first exercise is targeting your upper back, your teres major and teres minor, and your rhomboids and all that to fix your shoulders. So because your shoulders become rounded, and retracting in that is one of those most important things. After that we'll address a lot of other things as well. So now first thing is that, right? Let's start with that. All right guys, what you're seeing is Madan doing the face pull, which is the first exercise. If you see Madan, he's got a pronated grip and pointing the thumb backwards, engaging the core by sitting half squat, and if you see his back, you can see the back completely engaged, right? So do not slacken your elbow down, take it up and push your thumb backwards. Anywhere between 15 to 20 reps, put a substantial amount of weight that adds resistance and do those face pulls. All right, that's the fourth set what Madan is doing. What I like about Madan and his workout, and I appreciate training him so much, is if you see his form. This is his last set. He's completely endured and still retains. If you see the elbow height, his thumb going backwards in pronation of his arm, keeping his core engaged, you can see that. It's a very good form retention. Yes, the next exercise, Madan is getting ready. So this is for the same muscles, the teres major, your upper back and all that. Before we prepare for the larger muscles, we are just shooting up the smaller muscles and then getting into the larger muscle. It is the same muscles which you're doing in a different form of exercise, but this is a little advanced exercise from that, because there you get the assist of your the machine, whereas here you're going to do it manually. So that's the inclined bench set up for the workout, and Madan is getting ready for the workout, and I call it IWX. So I is that, or Y, I or Y, then the W and the X. Okay, so the X alone, the palm becomes in the supine position, whereas the I position and the W is in the prone position. Okay. Yes. No, you have to hold the yes, palm upwards. All right. So I, W, X. So why did I say I? Is if you're holding it against your ears and riding it right on top of your head. Y is slightly wider, which holds your posterior deltoids, your teres major now, then your rhomboids working now. So three major muscles at the back working you can see that. Now you might be able to see it much clearer. Alright, so you can see that exercise completely. Don't think this is a rehab exercise alone. This burns fat on your back as well. So it's a must-do exercise for even for people, regular people, not only people on the desk. Next exercise is on the larger muscles. So we are doing the lats now. So we are getting that ready. Now, it's not a lat pull down, though it's on the lat machine. So you're going to have your hand closed and pull it up, and then the resistance, you're going to pull it down again. All right, what you're seeing Madan do is just what I explained. So hold your hands together like that and pull down on your lats. You can see that his t-shirt moving about. See that? That's the lats engaging, right? While your arm goes in that position, your core engaged, sit upright, not lean back, and then pull the rope towards you and lift as much as you can. And yes, the biceps work along with the lats as well, but your bigger muscle works more. So what we're doing now is, your upper back again. You will see an exercise which I'm going to give you two forms of it. One which can be done in a gym like this, and another method to do it in a gym again, but with a functional trainer. So if you have a gym, I'll teach you the previous exercise with the dumbbell is similar to it, so I can teach you another set of exercises in the next video. If you cover a third episode of this, we'll cover without weights so that anybody at home can do it, while this is with weights and in a gym. So next episode, the third part of this, you'll see without weights. So if you've been watching this video till now, you know who to share it with, right? Share it with your friends and relatives who need this and who need support with their desk job work, which is affecting their spinal and cervical problems. So I've not covered the neck yet, but rest of it I've covered. So you can share it with them. While you do that, subscribe and like and support us. Alright? That's the exercise I was talking about. Right, for your upper back. You'll see that working out. Reverse flies. So that's the next exercise. I'll give you another version of this exercise as well, so you can see it. That's the next version of the same exercise, the reverse flies. So the functional trainer is set up in a crossover position and you pull the cables crossover. See that you change the cables sides every time. Alright guys. So thanks for watching till the end, and that's the last exercise which is going on. So like, share, subscribe, and tell us what you need and we'll do it for you.